Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 26. And he, serving me with unswerving devotion and crossing beyond the gunas, is fit to become Brahman.
Chapter 14, Shloka 26. Manchayo vyabhicharena bhakti yogena sevate sagunan samadhityaitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate.
Chapter 14, Shloka 26. The Lord proceeds next to answer the third question. How does one transcend the gunas? Love for God is called devotion. Mind runs happily towards what it loves. Our nature is made up of our thought, as the thoughts so the mind. To contemplate steadily upon the infinite nature of the self is ultimately to become the self and thus end our limited mortal ego. In our present condition, we are not in a position to maintain the mind in a state of meditation all the time. Lord advises dedicated service intelligently undertaken as worship to the self, as a process to keep the thought focused for a longer duration. In this way, all activities of the seeker in the outer world and all contacts with others become worship. Such constant God awareness and dedicated service removes the agitations of the mind and prepares the inner instruments for better meditation. Tamas and Rajas get reduced and thereby the sattva increases. Such a seeker is fit to become Brahman, as sattva brings in a greater and ability and poise during meditation. The reawakening of the consciousness of the self cannot be very far off. To realize Brahman is to become Brahman. Like to realize the waker is to become the waker. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.